Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupaha Kada Mahyam Tadati Swakpadantikam Vandeham Shri Guruh Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitamscha Namom Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pachaine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatayine He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री वसादि गौर भक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji, for reciting the Mangalacharan. So today we are reading the Srimad Bhagavatam. We are on Canto 3, Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is Vidura's talks with Maitreya. And the text for today is text 17. But we can read text 16 and 17 because yesterday I think Mataji joined late. So do we have a volunteer who can read text 16?
Yes, Mataji. May I read?
Okay, yes, please. Yes, please.
Just a minute, Mataji, please. May I read verse also?
Yes, 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 Prabhuji.
Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd canto, 5th chapter, verse number 16. Savishvajanma sthiti samyarthe कृतावतार प्रगतिः शक्ति चकार कर्माणि अतिपुरुषाणि यनीश्वर कीर्तयतानि मह्यम. Translation. Kindly chant all the superhuman transcendental activities of the Supreme Controller, the personality of Godhead, who accepted incarnations fully equipped with all potency for the full manifestation and maintenance of the cosmic creation. To read purport also, Mataji, of this verse.
Yes.
Okay, purport. Vidura was undoubtedly very eager to hear about Lord Krishna in particular, but he was overwhelmed because Lord Krishna had just passed away from the visible world. He therefore wanted to hear about him in his Purusha incarnations, which he manifests with full potencies for the creation and the maintenance of the cosmic world. The activities of the Purusha incarnations are but an extension of the activities of the Lord. This hint was given by Vidura to Maitreya because Maitreya could not decide which part of the activities of Lord should be chanted. Text 17.
Yes. Prabhuji, when you read text 17, you read the whole verse and then you'll read line by line so we can also read after, we can also chant after you so that our Sanskrit pronunciation can improve.
Oh, yes. Yes, Mataji. Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Verse 17. Shri Shuka Uvacha स एवं भगवान् पृष्ठ शत्रा कौसारवो मुनि पुंसां निश्रया सार्थेन तम आह बहुमानयन्.
Yes, Prabhuji. Now, please read the first line, Shri Sukhavacha, and we'll repeat after you.
Shri Shuka Uvacha
Shri Sukhavacha
स एवं भगवान् पृष्ठ
Sa evam Bhagavan Prishtha
शत्रा कौसारवो मुनि
Shatra Kausharo Muniha
पुंसां निश्रेय सार्थेन
Om Sham Nirsheya Sarthena
तम आह बहुमानयन्.
Tam Aha Bahumanayam.
Translation.
Word for word.
What meaning? Okay. What were synonyms? Shri Shuka Uvacha. Shri Sukdev Goswami said.
Shri Sukdev Goswami said.
Sah, he,
Saha hi.
evam, thus,
Evam thus.
Bhagavan, the great sage.
Bhagavan, the great sage.
Prishta, being requested.
Prishta being requested.
Shatra, by Vidura.
Shatra by Vidura.
Kausarava, Maitreya.
Kausharavaha Maitreya.
Muni, the great sage.
Muni, the great sage.
Pumsam, for all people.
Pumsam, for all people.
Nishreya, for the greatest welfare.
Vishaya, for the greatest welfare.
Arthena, for that.
Arthena, for that.
Tam, unto him.
Tam, onto him.
Aha, narrated.
Aha, narrated.
Bahu, greatly.
Bahu, greatly.
Manayan, honoring.
Manayan, honoring.
Translation. Sukdev Goswami said, the great sage Maitreya Muni, after honoring Vidura very greatly, began to speak at Vidura's request for the greatest welfare of all people, purported by His Divine Grace Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The great
Yeah.
sage Maitreya Muni is described here as Bhagavan because he surpassed all ordinary human beings in learning and experience. Thus, his selection of the greatest welfare service for the world is considered authoritative. In all inclusive welfare service for the entire human society is devotional service to the Lord, and as requested by Vidura, the sage described the same very appropriately. Short purport, yeah.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for reading the
Thank you for
translation
the
and
opportunity.
purport and the verse. So I think we did have no, we didn't have Shaman and Prabhuji. So, dear devotees, today Rukma Prabhu is not able to join because just now he came to know that there is no electricity in his house or at the temple. But we decided to carry on, and it's a small purport, and it is glorifying Maitreya Muni, who is described as Bhagwan, and that is because of his learning and experiences, and because of the welfare services that he has been doing for the world. So it is telling us that welfare service for the entire human society in devotional service to the Lord is the greatest. And Vidura is requested Maitreya Muni, who is at that elevated platform, to describe the Lord. So tomorrow we will have the further description of what Sri Maitreya Muni told Vidura Prabhu. But just so that we set the scene for tomorrow, I thought we should just read the text and purport. And if there are any questions or comments by the group, we can take that. Otherwise, we call it a day. But I'm open to any discussions that anybody would like to carry on. Viren Prabhu, any thoughts? And in the previous purport, Vidura Prabhu, Vidura gave a hint to all of us that we should be concentrating on the activities of the Purusha incarnations, because it is the extension of the activities of the Lord. So, because Maitreya Muni could not decide, because the Lord and Lord's Katha is so extensive, he could not narrow down into one single part. But I guess Vidura Prabhu said, Vidura said that let us discuss the Purusha incarnations.
Mataji, why is it that specifically you wanted to hear about the Purusha incarnation? Purusha incarnations, if I'm not mistaken, are Garbho Diksha Vishnu. No, these are Guna avatars, right? Purusha avatars are, no, they are Purusha avatars, right?
Yeah, all the expansions of the Lord. I guess because I think Mataji also said yesterday that if we hear about the Purusha avatars of the Lord, we will say that, oh my God, he has done so much and his glory is so much. So if the avatar, Purusha avatar are so great, how great Krishna will be. So in order to understand Krishna, this is one way we can probably go a little nearer Krishna, because to understand him is really, really out of our capacity. We do not have the mental ability or the sense ability in this material world to experience Krishna. So when we understand the Purusha avatar, from that we can probably understand Krishna.
Just like in the Bhagavad Gita, when Krishna was asked to show his universal form, so that the greatness could be understood, who exactly that person is, so that he can appreciate. In the similar
Yeah, yeah,
case, yeah.
yeah. So that's why Purusha Avatar in this verse has been given so much significance. And even to understand the Purusha Avatar for us, I think that also is difficult. So the more we hear about it, the better it is. At least for me, I forget. So it's important that
Okay,
it
but what
is.
Purusha avatars are Garbhadaksha Vishnu, is it so? Shiradaksha Vishnu, they are all Purusha avatars, but I don't remember exactly. Or are they Guna avatars? No, no, they are Purusha avatars. Guna avatars are uh, three Guna, na? Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
Shiva, yeah.
So they must be Purusha avatars, I think. Karadaksha Vishnu, Shiradaksha Vishnu, and Garbhadaksha Vishnu.
That's right. Yeah, yeah. And then we have Leela avatars, and that is Ram, Krishna,
Yeah,
Parshuram, and those avatars.
okay.
Vaman Dev.
Yeah. It is said, no, the number of avatars are like how many waves in the ocean are there? So many
Yeah,
incarnations are there.
yeah.
But
But
Krishna is one.
we just know the 10. But I had heard once that every species has its own avatar.
Oh, really? Acha, acha.
So from that day, I stopped even, when you see insect, you are tempted to just kill them or something. But when I heard that, I started saying, oh, maybe this is Krishna in this avatar. Please, please, I should not kill them. So yeah, because there are so many avatars, like you mentioned, like the waves in the ocean. So every species there is an avatar.
Yeah, yeah. Even I
And
heard
not
that.
only on the earth, I'm sure there are other places with different types of jivas. So there also there is an avatar.
And even they are avatars also appear in different ways in different yugas. Like
Yes.
Lord Nrsimhadev, I have heard that in one millennium he appeared from the foam, which is natural
Yeah.
and not liquid, something like that.
Yeah. And we recently heard that in one of the yuga, Narsimhadev came flying.
Oh,
He didn't
acha.
come out of the pillar.
Okay,
He
okay.
didn't burst out. He came flying. So in different yuga, the same avatar comes in different forms as well.
Right.
And Mataji, I also heard that uh, like Prahlad Maharaj, it's not a must that his soul as Prahlad Maharaj will come, but someone else in the form of Prahlad Maharaj will come, like another soul, like that is close a close associate of Shri Krishna. Like it could be Arjun, it could be the Sakhas, the Sakhis. So I also read that online. That day we heard the story.
Okay, okay. But the name remains Prahlad, is it so?
I guess so. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's the same kind of lila, but another soul that is close to Shri Krishna. Yeah. Whoever has that power wants to, serve in that way or wants to appear in that way. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and I also had heard that if there is no, so for example, let's look at the sun god, and it is said that different souls are born as son, but when Shri Krishna doesn't find the appropriate soul to perform that duty, he himself takes up that.
Okay.
So Vivashwan is one of Krishna's extension, because he couldn't find an appropriate soul to take up that role.
Is it so in this universe right now? The which son, the Vivaswan is Krishna himself?
Yeah, that is what I had heard in one of the
Okay.
talks. Yeah, so that from that day, when I do my Surya Namaskar, or when I look at the sun, I say, "Oh Krishna, it's you,"
Oh, okay, okay.
because
I've heard
that's what
that
I
it,
heard.
it happens mostly uh in circumstances of Brahma. No Brahma is available, so much qualified in the universe. So Krishna takes that form. But of Sun,
Oh,
I heard this for first time.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, even, I mean, I didn't know about Brahma as well. But in one of our classes, I had heard about the sun. I have not read, so I don't have a reference. But in one of our classes, one of our mentors had said that.
Wow,
Mm.
that is amazing.
So we are seeing Krishna Pratyaksha.
Oh, yeah.
Any other comments, discussion?
Like it.
Okay, if there are no other comments or discussion, we can call it a day. Viren Prabhu will be happy because it's 11:15 probably in India, so we can release him early today. But
That is the
tomorrow,
problem because I can't join daily because it is the
yeah,
end of the day and
yeah,
always
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
Right.
just try as much as possible, but
We are grateful. Your association means a lot to us.
it is
So
so
thank
such a benediction for all of us. I mean, and
you.
yeah, because
Yeah,
it is so difficult and not many people are there, but still this is going since so many years. So that means some people are very much committed. Yeah.
that's right. There's a great team here who's a committed team. So I'm grateful to all of them. Our Bhakta Mugo is one of them, who's very committed to this class. So all glories to his service.
Right.
On that note, Bhakta Mugo, are you able to close today's session? Maybe. I think he might have challenges because he's not able to talk in spite of his mic being on. Indu Samataji, how about you? Is it possible for you to unmute and close the session?
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna,
Hare
everyone.
Krishna.
Please accept my humble obeisances and all glories to Srila Prabhupada. I'm sorry I joined the class a little bit late and I've ended a little bit early. So I've just grasped a little. But yeah, thank you, Mataji. Thank you, everyone, for participating in the discussion. Maybe we can all unmute and do one round of Mahamantra and glorification of all the assembled devotees here.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One
Vanchakalpa Tarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Patitanam
Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
Granth Raj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
Jai.
All glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the
Krishna.
all glories. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you everybody for joining in. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Indusa, for ending the session.
Okay, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.